Hey guys, Jim here again. Here are the results from the strategy we set up approximately 24 hours ago. It's actually 23 and a half hours since we started this strategy, and it's holding its own. Let's have a look at what Bitcoin has done since we started at 3:30 yesterday. Where's the 3:30 p.m. around somewhere around here. So we've had a bit of down and a bit of up and a bit of sideways mixed in. Alright, so it hasn't done too badly. Now this strategy was using the 1 hour MACD and stochastic indicators, so it was kind of buying down here and on the bullish crosses on the MACD and the bullish crosses on the stochastic. Alright, and it's not done too bad. It's okay. It's only made 0.63% in 23 and a half hours, which is $6, which is a lot better than a bank account, isn't it? But, you know, bear in mind, had we started this strategy 3 days ago, it wouldn't have done too well, because Bitcoin has been quite dumpy recently, and it seems to be going more sideways now. It might be bottoming out, I'm not sure. So let's have a look at the trade history for this, and we will see our first trade and what time it came in. Alright, let's have a look, make sure that's all fully, yep, that's all fully loaded in. So the first trade, look, it took 3 hours, what was it, 3:30? It took 2.5 hours, 2 hours and 41 minutes before the first trade happened, and that was PAX Gold. Alright, and that, where did that sell? Where's the first sell? PAX G. I'm going to look for the PAX G sell. Or did it sell? No, it didn't sell. It must still be open. Let's have a look. Yeah, it's still open, and it's down still. So it's been open 21 hours, and that position hasn't done too well. Alright, so back to the trade history. Alright, so let's... well, the best one was 4.5%. That's nice. Alright. Okay. And that's the total result. So, obviously, $10.09 minus 4.5% is approximately 45 cents. Alright, so that trade there made 45 cents on probably a $9.60 trade. So let's have a look at NEO. Where did it buy? There it is, look. $9.78. So $9.78 plus 4.52% equals $10.09. Alright. That's the lowest profit there that it made. So how many profits? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Not too bad, not too bad. It's not exactly the secret sauce, is it, guys? It's not 1.05%, but, you know, even the secret sauce will not do smashingly well in downtrends. You've got to wait for things to recover, and then you can average things out. Alright, so a reminder, guys, secret sauce down in the description, link down in the description. It gets me 1.05% average daily profits compounded, guys. And let me just show you the power of compounding. If you want to go to a website called compounddaily.org/calculator, you can work out the power of compounding $1,000 at, let's say, what was that percentage there? 0.63. Right, we've actually technically got to wait another 30 minutes, because as you can see it's 3 p.m. there. Another 30 minutes, if it's still got 0.63, well, let's type in here 0.63%, over 1 year, 365 days, reinvesting the whole lot. We're not taking any money out. Let's have a look. Alright, you can turn $1,000 into $9,897 if you got 0.63% every single day on average. Now, that could mean, guys, that tomorrow you get 0% and the day after you get 0%. But then, maybe the day after that, you get 3%. And then you get another day of 0%, and then you get a 4%. Alright, so this is average, guys. You even though this has got 0.63% in the last 23.5 hours, or 24 hours, call it, doesn't mean you're going to get 0.63% every single day. Alright, but you'll never get negative percentages. Alright, as long as you don't panic sell. If you come across a position like that, you go, oh my god, it's down. This is normal. Things do go down after buying sometimes. Alright, they don't always instantly go straight up. Yeah, the market can change on a dime. Alright, so if you were to do that for an average, you know, you get your 0.63 days, and then you get your 2% days, 4% days. I've had 5 and 6% days before, guys. You know, but then I've had 0% days for a couple of weeks. You know, every single day for a couple of weeks, you've got 0% because everything's down. Yeah, and that's when the DCA kicks in, and then it recovers, and then you get some good days. And those good days make up for all the bad days. So, let's have a look. Just refresh this. That's not too bad, considering what Bitcoin has been doing since we started. Let's put this on the 30-minute chart and find 330 yesterday. Alright, there. The bot started here when Bitcoin was at this price. Alright, and a Bitcoin, look, is just a tiny bit more above. Where is it? Let's take that in the middle of that candle to the middle of that candle. It's practically the same price as it was when it started. However, we've still made $6 on our $1,000. Is that better than putting your $1,000 in a bank? Absolutely. Alright. Is it guaranteed to go up when you start the bot? No. It could come down. What if I'd started here? Yeah? If I'd started the bot there, this very same bot that's got 0.63% in 23.5 hours, if I started the bot up there, well, it would be a different story. We would probably be minus $6 right now. But even then, you know, you just wait, because better days will come when things DCA. And what's the DCA level in here? It's 15%, so something has to drop 15%. So if you've got a $10 buy order, that Uki for instance, and it drops 15%, which is nowhere near right now, it means that that $10.05 is only worth about $8.50. But then a DCA happens, it buys another 4,167 of these coins at the current price, which is 15% less than $10. So it would spend another $8.50. Alright, and it would DCA that position, and eventually, after a day or two, it's going to recover and come back up in profit, and you're going to end up with 4, 5, 6% profit on that one trade. Alright, remember that 4 or 5, 6% profit on that trade doesn't mean you're making 4, 5 or 6% profit on your $1,000. It's going towards the profit that you're making. Alright, all these profits combined will make a profit on top of your initial $1,000. Alright, so back to here. Now, my secret sauce does me an average of 1.05%. Alright, let's see the difference. Huge difference. Alright, so if the secret sauce were to be used on this strategy and things were going well immediately after starting the bot and not having a bad day after starting the bot and averaging the profits out at 1.05% daily, which is, remember guys, it's very important you understand it is an average. I am not getting 1.05% every single day. Some days I get 0%. I might get 0%. Let's say I get 8% in one day, which is totally possible. It's happened before. Right? I can turn, you know, everything can go really bullish and everything pumps and you get 8% profit in one day. Well, that 8% profit is like an average of just over 1% every day for 7 days. If you take 7 days average, if you got like 8 days at 8%, all right, that would be 1% per day. All right, but you're gonna get crappy days where things have gone down. You've just got to endure this. Now, most people who are new to crypto, they could start the bot here, they could come up, see a little tiny bit of profit coming in, and they're going, wow, it's working. They get like 1% profit on a trade, and then they get into a new trade around here, alright, things come down, and then they look at the bot the next day, and they go, oh my god, no, this is not working, I've lost money. Well, no, you haven't lost anything until you sell. If I sold that now, I will lose 21 cents. Alright, so if you get positions like this and you just keep selling them because they're in the red, you will lose money. You will not make your 1.05% every day. Yeah, you won't even make 0.63%. You'll lose money. So this will go down and down and down gradually over time if you just keep panic selling everything that's in the red. No, guys. Alright, back to here. So if you can attain 1.05%, even just 1%, see, this number will change quite a fair bit with just knocking off that 0.05. It's knocked off for about $6,000. Alright, it's a $6,000 difference is this. Adding that over a year, compounded, is $6,000. Okay, now, is this bot doing okay? Yes, it is, but it's doing okay because Bitcoin has not dumped too much since I started this bot. Here, it has dumped a little bit, but that's okay. Starting the bot there, it dumped 2.5%, and then it recovered, then it went up beyond, taking in profits coming in. Now it's dumped a little bit more, and it's just above the price where it started yesterday. Alright, and you know, it needs more time. Things either going to go up from here, or they're going to go down, or they're going to kind of go sideways. We'll see. Alright, so guys, if you want to get a hold of the secret sauce, the best strategy I found in 6 years of using Cryptohopper, and I've been using it for around 4.5 years, the secret sauce is the best strategy I have found. And of course, if I find a better strategy, That gives me more profits than the secret sauce. What do you think I'm going to do, guys? I'm going to replace the secret sauce with that better strategy. Alright? But until then, I'm just going to keep going with the secret sauce because I'm quite happy with 1.05% average profit per day. It's very nice. Let's have a look, see if it finds a position. It's just done a scan. No, nothing found. Alright, so remember, this is using the 1 hour MACD stochastic, and it has 20 minutes to go until the 24 hour has elapsed. Alright, and even then, 24 hours elapses, it didn't buy its first position until what time? Where's the trade history? There it is. Let's have a look. First position bought, 2 hours and 41 minutes after I started the bot. That is the very first buy order. And then the second one came in 3 hours after that. So, it's not bought that many things. It's done all of these buys. Yeah, it's done a lot more buys than sells, obviously, because some positions are still open. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11 positions it has sold. And one has done really well there, look. And one's done okay there, 2.5%. So that'd be about 25 cents profit on that one. Alright, and if you've got lots of little trades like this happening throughout the day, when things pick up a bit, you should do better. You should do better than... Ooh, we've gone up to 0.64. What difference would that make? Let's 0.63 first in that window. Alright, and I'm going to duplicate this tab. $1,000, and then we'll put 0.64 over 365 days, reinvesting 100%. Yep. Let's compare these two numbers. Alright, so you got up to $10,000 from $1,000 at 0.64%. Where's the... Yeah. At 0.63% you get... Hang on, I haven't calculated it. There. 9,897 compared to an extra $500 in there just because of that tiny fraction. Alright? 263, 10,263, 897. That's about $400, $300, $400 more. Big difference, isn't it? So if you can get, if you've got a bot and you're doing 1% compounded daily, you're doing really well, guys. Yeah? If you can get 1.05% daily, you're doing extremely well. Look at the difference. Alright? In 1 month, you're making an average of $14 a day. And you've already gone from $1,000 to 1,368. Out of that, you've made enough to cover the cost of the bot. But don't take any money out, guys. Use external money to pay for the bot. Alright? Let your money compound. The more you take out, the more you lose out of this profit. Alright? If I take out, I don't know, $100 a month, it's going to severely impact this total at the end. But I do recommend once you get to a certain level, take some money out, guys. Alright, 0.64. What time is it now? 3:15. Alright, I'm going to leave this video here, guys. And if you want that secret sauce, you're welcome to it. Just click that link below my video. There are instructions on how to contact me on Skype. Let me know on Skype that you've bought a plan through my link. I will have a look in my affiliate stats, and if I see you in there, I say, okay, this dude or dudette gets the secret sauce, and I'll send you the secret sauce with the password and everything, and I'll help you out on Skype as well, like I do with everybody else. Alright? Can't say fairer than that. Like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you again in the next video, or in the secret sauce, or on Skype. Alright guys? See you again. Take it easy.